Assalamu alaikum to all my dear viewers. I am Professor Shoaib Hashmat with a YouTube channel, namely English Innovator. I hope you enjoyed my previous lecture on future progressive or future continuous tense. So, today I am going to explain the concept of future perfect tense. So, let's start with it. I start my lecture on future perfect tense with the definition of this tense. So far as the definition of future perfect tense is concerned, so future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will be completed between now and a certain point in the future. So now we move towards the various uses of future perfect tense. The first use of future perfect tense is that it is used to describe an action that will happen before a particular time in future. For example, I shall have finished my work till you return, or we shall have left for Karachi before you came. Or the third one is he will have reached home till tomorrow. So coming towards now the second use of future perfect tense, that it is used to describe an unconfirmed completed past action. For example, Ali will have reached college by now, or the farmer will have sowed seeds by now. The last use of future perfect tense is that it is used to describe an action, not an action to be completed at a particular time in future. For example, we shall have learnt the lessons by the next week, or the patient will have recovered before the doctor came. So, this is all about the use of future perfect tense. Now, now I'm coming towards the structural formula. So, the first we start our sentence with subject. The helping verb used in future progress in future perfect will be will or shall plus have plus third form plus objects. The villagers will have killed the snake. This is an example, or even I can give many examples as well. The boy will have a noise till the teacher reaches. So, I hope you have got my lecture. So, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.